Okay. Okay, great. So, I'm just gonna be straightforward with it, and thank you for seeing me like at such a short notice. So, I'm gonna share my video. Were you able to read what I sent you?
Yes.
Okay. So, essentially, we're a 24/7 occupational health startup. So, we are brand new, and oops, one second. Oh, website. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, but it's a Zoom screen. Can you share your Notion?
Can what?
Can you open your Notion?
I am. I'm going to. It's just hold on, give me a
Okay.
second. Okay. Where is it? All right, cool. Let me just open it now. All right. So I have what I did is I took a template, right? And I've been using it for sort of a basically a template of I modified it for what for our needs. And so it's loading up. Why does it? Okay, good. So I modified it for our needs. Today, Notion's been really slow. Does it do that sometimes? Like it takes forever to load on.
I think it's your internet problem.
Oh, internet. Okay. All right. I'll look into that because let me see. Oh, okay. Um, just you know what? I'm gonna do it on Safari. Let me see. Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is the workspace that we're working with. Right now it's myself. We so I'm the owner, I'm the doctor, and I have a case manager that works with me. And I created what they call the care ops team. So it's basically the case manager, the providers, which is nurse practitioners, assistants, and the doctor, and then a nurse as well, right? So
Okay.
what we have is I tried to create a different space for each team member, but I don't necessarily want each team member to go and look into the other one's space, right? So like the I don't know how to assign tasks to them. So we kind of I mean there's just a lot going on the pages. It's I feel like it's very this is sort of our resource library. Um, which where we put like some of our SOPs. We're not a big company, obviously, so we don't have a lot of documents as of now, but I'll show you the way I've been able to organize them. So I put them under resources, and so these are some of our SOPs. So like the clinical ones, for example, like each injury one, this is one of the standard operating procedures, like based on some templates that we have. Um, and I prefer to keep them in one table, obviously. I have I don't have contracts yet, but this is like the contract tracker, which I like, right? I kept this because obviously it's the template. This is a person who built it, but those are placeholders. Those are not real contracts. And like SOP for onboarding. So like this is for the clinical coordinator. So these are basically our SOP libraries, but we organize them differently. And I guess this is the database. The resources are empty, but again, as you could see, it's not very well organized, right? Um, the I'll give you access to that so you can take a look at them. But like the notification center, it sounds like a great idea, but I don't know I don't know how to link it, right? Like so this is a notification center for the entire team, and it's I'm not sure how to use that. or even if it's necessary. Like adding a calendar also. I know you can embed like a Google Calendar, right?
Yeah, but Notion also available in calendar form. You can link your tasks or daily to-dos
Mm-hmm. Okay.
directly in Notion.
Yeah. So we would need help with that as well. These
Uh,
are That's
yes,
other also part of like what I was trying to do here is just to kind of have quick access to our SOP calendar. Again, we're not a big company and it looks like this is way too much for us. So what I can do, I can sort of like send you a separate document so you can understand kind of um, how our team works. So we have an electronic medical records called eClinicalWorks that's separate, right? I could show you what that looks like. It because it's HIPAA compliant, we can't directly. I don't know if it can even be embedded in Notion, but just the website, like if somebody wants to sign on directly from it, like as a quick link, that would be great to do. But we don't put personal patient information in there. It's just really for meetings, for tasks, announcements, calendars, things like that. Um, and then this is the administration and the owner's time dashboard that's mostly for me. And the instruction is basically um, from the person who built the template, and he kind of teaches you how to use some of those things. But I just feel I like the platform, but it's just a little bit too much. So we just kind of needed like help organizing it, right? Like so for the team, um, again, these are the different departments that we have, right? And then let's see if I want to do a different team, which is like there's the procurement team or a marketing team. I kind of wanted to create a different space for that with the teams and so forth. But just, um, am I making sense?
yes. So
Okay.
for now, the main goal is to rearrange and reorganize this page.
Yes. Exactly. And have quick links like to Google Drive. I can send you the URL for that. And also I wanted to embed uh like Slack in
Yeah,
it.
you can provide me the link for these Google or Slack.
Okay. Yeah. And then so afterwards, how long do you think that's gonna take for you to do?
I think 2 days are enough.
Okay. And then also at some point I would have my team for you to meet with just Ramsha and Annie. So those are the other two team members. And then you can kind of give them a little tutorial, all of us, like give us a tutorial on how it works. And then I'll give them like just to do a one-on-one with them. It shouldn't be too hard or too long so that they can have you can answer any questions they have
Yeah,
after
we
after
can
you go
arrange a
through.
meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have to add me in your workspace so I can
Hmm.
start.
Okay. Can you put your email in the chat? Sure.
Yeah, Ahmed can send you email.
Okay. Okay. All right.
I
Yeah,
have,
and yep.
yeah, I have shared the email in Zoom chat. So
Oh,
invite.
okay. Oh, good. There it is. Copy link.
Um,
Okay.
for later, if you have any question or any requirement, you can send a list of like you can send me a PDF of list
Okay. I
like
will.
what you exactly want.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay. Let me copy that. Where should I put it? Let me put it somewhere. See, that's the thing. Like, I want to keep, yeah, again, there's a lot going on, and I just don't know where to, Like I don't know how to organize everything. You know what I mean? So here, I'll put it under notes. Okay. So okay. Okay. So I'll just do that. And I'm sorry, what was your name again? Oh,
My
is it
name,
Kisra?
yes, yes, Hijra.
Okay. It's Shizra or Kisra?
Yes, you are writing, you are right, typing.
Okay.
Hijra,
But how do you pronounce it? Is it Kisra or Shizra?
Hijra,
Huh?
Hijra.
Kisra. Okay. All right, cool. All right. So I will keep your number there and then yeah, like so if you could clean it up. The most important thing right now is again, I will send the document and then at the end of the day, each team member has to know how to use it. So so it could be more efficient.
Yes, I also, after the work is complete, I add a how to use this dashboard. Like I add a paragraph.
If what?
I write a paragraph.
I can't hear you. Hello?
There is a microphone issue. Can you hear me
Oh,
now?
now I can hear you. Yep.
Okay. I am telling that I will add a paragraph of how to use this dashboard, so it will be easy for your team members to use this.
Okay. On how to use like each one.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, I have a question. Is there anything extra which I have to delete it?
Anything extra that you have to delete, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, well, so what I
I
would,
saw there is a lot of views like some pages contain a gallery table also. This is an extra views.
yeah, there are extra views.
So
So
I should delete
yeah,
them.
you can, yeah, you can delete them. Like, sorry, which extra views?
Like when you open a page,
Mm-hmm.
open this page,
Yep.
scroll
Wilson,
like this level.
by
Yeah.
safety purpose, we will do duplicate Notion template. So if we can delete something, so we can recover it.
No,
Okay.
I
Yes.
should not delete the main database. I am just asking about the views.
Oh, the view. Oh, you mean like this one? The detail
Like
views?
there is a four views of a single database, which are unnecessary. We can handle them in a single uh, view, like multiple tabs.
Oh, I see. Oh, so that it's cleaner, right?
Yes. Just like
Yeah.
by status and by team views, there are two tabs. We can add more tabs here for cleaner view.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Like in the detail view, there are two tabs by status and by team. Can you
Oh,
see?
yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I see. Yes.
We can add more tabs here for cleaner view.
Okay. Yeah. Yes,
So,
definitely. So,
yes,
yeah, so at the end of the day, I just want something that's very clean, right? So, like right now we have the clinical team and then we have a marketing team. So the marketing team, I have I'll just give you the what we want to do like with procurement and outreach, all those things. Like that's for example, outreach is where we have like we want to do a clinic a client management system, like a CRM tool. So it
yes.
doesn't have to, yeah, like so I kind of want to include that in the marketing portion of it.
Okay,
Does that
so I will take a look later after a meeting.
you what?
I'll take a look to your dashboard after a meeting.
Okay. So you can start working. So you're gonna just start working on it, right?
Yes.
Okay. You could
Yes.
just start working.
Yes, Wilson, Hijra understand everything, and she is confident that you are expecting So after the meeting, she received an invitation of your Notion. So after look at everything, and she will start your Notion project.
Okay. So
Yes.
so when do you think it'll be done?
It will take maximum 1 or 2 days.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
All
Further,
right.
yeah, further share requirement, I will share with you as soon as.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. Thank you. You can send a message on WhatsApp.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
I will do that.
Yeah.
And then you'll send me the invoice so that we can,
Yeah. Shortly, I will send you on WhatsApp. So have a nice day, Wilson. Take care.
No, wait, what you gonna send me the invoice on WhatsApp or Upwork?
WhatsApp.
Why? Because I only work through Upwork. I'm not gonna pay
Y-
outside of Upwork.
Yeah, yeah. Invoice section. Our project will be start on Upwork, but we will use WhatsApp for communication purpose.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no
Yeah.
problem. That's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. All right. I was just making sure.
Okay, Wilson. Have a good experience and take care.
All right. You too. Bye,
Yeah.
Kizra. Talk to you soon.
Okay, bye. Nice to
Bye.
meet you.
You too. Bye. Okay.
You